Another video series of mathematics. In this video, we will talk about a very important topic which is asked for both JEE as well as MHCET, which is mean value theorems. This is an extension of applications of derivatives. And you can expect one question each from both JEE as well as MHCET examination. So what we will do is, it's a very simple, straightforward formula based concept. So we'll first quickly revise what each theorem is, what is the significance of each theorem, and how we can use that to solve the problems. Now the first theorem which we would be discussing is called Rolles Theorem. Rolles Theorem. So Rolles Theorem states that if f is any function defined in the closed interval a comma b, then it is continuous on the closed interval a comma b, and if it is differentiable in open interval a comma b, continuous differentiable, we learnt in continuity chapter. Also, if f of a equal to f of b, that means what? If these three conditions are satisfying, then basically f dash of c will be 0. But one thing you have to remember, that c will always lie between a and b here. Right? So this is called Rolles Theorem. Basically, f of a equal to f of b, it is continuous in closed interval, differentiable in open interval. When that is the case, for any c, for any function, if you differentiate, substitute c and equal to 0, basically you will be getting a value which is between a and b. In other words, if you remember, if you differentiate and equate it to 0, what are those called? Those are called basically extreme values, which we learned in Applications of Derivatives. If you don't know it, please look at the Applications of Differentiation video which we discussed in our app. So this is our Rolles Theorem. Of course, since we are discussing for a competitive exam perspective, the proof, we need not derive it. The proof is not that important for us. Now the second theorem which we will be learning is Lagrange's mean value theorem. This is basically an extension of Rolles theorem, in the sense that if f of x is a function and it is continuous on closed interval, differentiable on open interval, so first two conditions, these are same as Rolles theorem, then there exists a number c such that f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So this is called your Lagrange's mean value theorem. In Rolles, what was the case? F dash c was equal to 0. In Lagrange's, f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Now finally we have what? Cauchy's mean value theorem. Here, instead of one function, you have two functions. That is what we have. And those two functions, we apply the same whatever we learnt in Lagrange's to get this. So if f and g are two functions, both are continuous on closed interval, differentiable on open interval, then there exists any c such that f dash c by g dash c is f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. So if only one function is given, they are asking us c, f dash c is 0. If one function is given along with, they are asking in terms of b and a, then f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. If they are giving two functions, then you are using f dash c by g dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. This is how we can solve any question using this theorem. So depending on the question, we have to take and solve. So let's do few questions. It's a very simple topic, guys. So let's do few questions and see how we can solve these questions. The first question, given f of x is something they have given, then the value of c in the interval 0, 3 that satisfies the mean value theorem. So what do you have to do? You need the value of c, right? So I can say f dash c equal to 0. So find out f dash of x. Derivative of x power 4 by 3 is 4 by 3. X power of 4 by 3 minus 1 is 1 by 3, right? 4 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 3 times 1 by 3 into x power 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus 2 by 3. 3 getting cancelled. So f dash c will be 0, right? What does it indicate? 4 by 3 times c power 1 by 3 minus c power minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 0. Or take it to the other side. So what will I get? 4 by 3 c power 1 by 3 equals to c power 2 by 3. Or take it to the other side. C power 2 by 3 by c power, this is minus 2 by 3, right? Or you take it here, this you can take it here. So what we will get it is c power 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 will be c. That is equal to 3 by 4, right? So 3 by 4 is definitely lying in this interval. So the answer is basically c value is 3 by 4. Now look at this, guys. They said find the value of c in Lagrange's mean value theorem. This was asked in one of your 2020 slot exam, JEE exam. So again, it's very simple, guys. F of x is given as x cube minus 4x square plus 8x plus 11. So f of x is what? X cube minus 4x square plus 8x plus 11. Then they are asking us Lagranges. What is Lagranges? We know the formula, right? F dash c is f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So we know Lagranges theorem formula is f dash c equals to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Let's do that, guys. First, let's find out f dash of x. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. This is minus 8x plus 8. So f dash c will be what, guys? This will be 3c square minus 8c plus 8. So basically we have 3c square minus 8c plus 8. That is given as f of b. What is your a and b? This is my a, this is my b. F of b means 1 minus 4. So f of b basically I am finding now 1 minus 4 plus 8 plus 11. 8 minus 4 is 4. 15 plus 1 is 16 here. This is what we are getting. So this is 16 minus, if you substitute 0, you are getting 11. By b minus a is 1 minus 0. So basically 3c square minus 8c. 16 minus 11 is 5. 5 goes to the other side, it will be 3 equal to 0. So basically c will be minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4 into 3, 12. 3s are 36 by 2a. So basically, guys, what we will get is 64 minus 36 is what? That will be 28, guys. So 7 4 second, right? 8 plus or minus 2a. 2a means 2 into 3 actually. Instead of a, I am writing it as 3, right? This is like a quadratic. 8 plus or minus. This is 64 minus 36 is 28. Yes, root 28 is 7 root 2. Whole divided by 2 into 3. 2 goes, so 7, root 7 into 2. Pardon. 28, right? So 2 goes out. So 2 cancelled. So this will be 1. So basically I am getting 4 plus or minus root 7 by 3. So either it is 4 plus root 7 by 3 or 4 minus root 7 by 3. Basically, which is there in the option? 4 minus root 7 by 3 is there. So it is second option, guys. Easy question. They have mentioned which theorem to use. That's why it became easy for us. Now let's do a 2015 AP question, guys. So the third question. So let me write the question for you. If f is defined by the function 1, 3, where f of x is given by x cube plus bx square plus ax. This is what is given, guys. And also given that f of 1 minus f of 3 is given as 0 and f dash of c is given as 0, given c equals to 2 plus 1 by root 3, right? And they are asking us what is a comma b basically. The options which we have is, first option is minus 6 comma 11. Second option is 2 minus 1 by root 3 comma 2 plus 1 by root 3. The third option is 11 minus 6, 11 comma minus 6, and 6 comma 11. Basically, what can I use here, guys? Given that f of 1 minus f of 3 is 0, this is an important thing, because if we are using Lagranges, RHS is 0. Basically what Lagranges, RHS, if you get 0, we'll go back to Lagranges. Let us say here, if this part, if your RHS part is becoming 0, if your RHS part, if this is becoming 0, guys, what is happening? Basically, f dash c is 0, right? If RHS part is 0, this converts into a Rolles theorem, right? So it becomes a Rolles theorem. So basically what I can say is, since they gave that f of 1 minus f of 3 is 0, that is the RHS part is 0, I can call this as Rolles theorem. Rolles theorem is what? F dash c is 0, they said clearly. So first find out f dash of x, guys. F dash of x is what? Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Plus derivative of bx is 2bx. Derivative of ax is nothing but a. Now we need to find out f dash of c, right? F dash of c is what? 3 into 2 plus 1 by root 3 plus 2b into whole square. This is 2 plus 1 by root 3 plus a. So that part is given as 0. Now what is one way you can do, guys? You can use this expression and you can verify options, right? Just do option verification. Little calculations are there, of course. What is the other case? You also know when f dash c is 0, f of a should definitely be equal to f of b. Don't get confused between this and this. Here a is a constant, here a is your interval, right? Basically, what I mean to say is f of 1 should be equal to f of 3. That also you can verify. So basically 1 plus b plus a is equal to 27 plus this is 9b plus 3a, or basically 2a plus 8b is equal to minus 26. This also you can check, guys. You can check whichever option is satisfying these two options, that will give your answer, right? So this part I want you to solve. This was asked in actually 2015 AP paper. Very important but very easy as well. Yes. So this is how you can find out the option. Sometimes what happens is this no option might satisfy this, so you have to check this basically. So this is your 2015 AP question. Now let's do one more, guys. Next question. What they have given is f of x is given as x into x plus 3 into x minus 2, and also given that x belongs to minus 1 comma 4, then a value of c in minus 1 comma 4 satisfying f dash of x equals to 10 is options 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. This was asked in 2016 AP, guys. So again, how can I solve this? First step, f dash c satisfies this. Basically, f dash c is 10. Only one function. F dash c is not equal to 0, right? So only method which I can use is Lagrange's. Lagrange's method is what? F dash c is f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So f dash c is what basically I need to first find out. F dash of c is 10 given to you. Very good. So I can say 10 equals to f of b, that is 4. I'll put a bracket. 4 into 4 plus 3 is 7 into 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 1 into 2 into minus 3 whole divided by b minus a. 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5 basically. So f dash of the value of c in which is satisfying f dash x equals to 10. So this part is just the verification part basically. So if you do this, 28 into 2, 56. 56 minus 6 is 50. 50 by 5, 10. So this is satisfying, right? It's satisfying. So this theorem is satisfying. But now, what else did he give? F dash of c is 10, right? They're asking you c. So we have satisfied the theorem, but what they're asking you is now f dash of c, right? So we have satisfied the equation. The LHS was equal to RHS, definitely Lagranges. So basically what they're asking us now is only this component. Only this component is what they're asking. So what can you do here? Basically, I can first find out f dash of x. How will I do? This is like u, v, w, right? Keep to differentiate the other. So I'll get x into x plus 3 into 1 plus x plus 3 into x into x minus 2 into 1 plus x into x minus 2 into 1. So f dash of c, right? So basically I'll get c into c plus 3 plus c plus 3 into c minus 2 plus c into c minus 2, that is equal to 10 is what I'm getting. So my answer will be whatever is satisfying this equation would be my answer. So basically I think in the key it is given as first option. Let's check it anyways. This is 2 into 2 plus 3 is 5, right? So this will be 10. So 2 minus 2 will be 0, 0. So 2 into 5 basically. Is that equal to 10? Satisfying, right? So first option is the answer. Right? So basically this satisfied the Lagrange's theorem. F dash c is not equal to 0. Condition also satisfied for me. So basically I just have to differentiate, put that c value, and then you have to get it. So it's a simple, straightforward question, guys. We'll do one more actually, so that you're all thorough with this. So let me create a new slide and we will do one more question so that you're all comfortable. Last question we will do, fifth question. So any question you can solve it like this, guys. Question number 5. This was 2017 AP. The previous one was actually 2016 AP, right? This is 2017 AP question. So f of x is given by the expression x minus 1 into x minus 2, basically defined in the interval 0, half. So the value of c satisfying the Lagrange's mean value theorem is, options are 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 4. So Lagrange's mean value they clearly mentioned, so it is a, what do you say, a straightforward laddu question, right? So f dash of c is f of b minus f of a whole divided by b minus a, guys. It's not f of b minus f of a, it is actually b minus a, right? B minus a. Now tell me, guys, how do you find out f dash of c? So derivative I have to do first. So first let me do f dash of x. What is that? X minus 1 into derivative of x is 1 plus x minus 2 into derivative of x is 1. So basically I'm using UV rule to differentiate. So f dash c will be what? C minus 1 plus c minus 2. Basically, I'm getting 2c minus 3 here. So 2c minus 3, f of b, guys. How do you find out f of b? I have to substitute half here. Half minus 1 is minus half. Half minus 2 is what? Half minus 2. 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 2, right? Minus minus cancelled. So I'm getting 3 by 4. F of a is what? If you are substituting 0, f of a means f of 0 basically. 0 minus 1 into minus 2, so it will be plus 2. Whole divided by b minus a is what? Half minus 0. So basically what will I get, guys? 2c minus 3, 4 LCM, 3 minus 8 is minus 5 by 4. Half minus 0 is half. Half goes 2 times. So 2c is 3 minus 5 by 2 because I am sending that 3. So this is 1 by 2, 2c. C value is 1 by 4, guys. Fourth option. Very straightforward and simple, guys. Hope you're getting it. So any year, if you're getting any question based on mean value theorems, that means it's an easy question. You definitely have to solve it. So if they give you two functions, if they give one function like this, they will also give g of x as some, x square plus 5x plus 3. Then they will give interval like this, right? So what you have to do, if they ask C, first differentiate this, then differentiate this, f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. So that is your Cauchy mean value theorem. Rarely asked actually Cauchy. Mainly they will ask Lagranges, as you can see, almost every year, as well as Rolles. Okay, so with this, Lagrange's mean value theorem part is also completed. So I request all of you to go back to your exercise or any study material you want to take and then solve the questions of this chapter. Okay, thanks a lot for joining the session, guys. I will see you soon with another fresh session. Thank you.